Hey guys, you all are welcome back again to my YouTube channel. I greet you all according to the time you are seeing this video. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I am Juliet Godswill. If this is your first time coming across my video, or you have been seeing my video and you have not subscribed, please subscribe. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I was able to lighten up my armpits using natural ingredients. This recipe works for me and I know it will work for you too. Just give it a try. If you have been looking for a way to lighten up your armpit, guys, this recipe is for you. Without wasting your time, let's go straight to the point. All the ingredients you need is lime, lemon, baking soda and honey. Ingredients will be written on the description box. All you need is 1 spoon of baking soda, 1 spoon of turmeric, then another one is lemon. I'm going to squeeze out the water and add 3 spoons. Then after adding 3 spoons of lemon juice, then the last one is honey. I'm going to add 1 spoon of honey on it. So guys, this is my honey. I'm adding 1 spoon on it. So now I'm going to add another lemon. I'm going to add extra lemon on it. I will add 1 spoon of lemon again. So guys, I'm going to mix it together.
Yeah.
I'll mix it together. If your own is not light enough, you can still add lemon. So guys, this is it now. I'm going to use it to massage my armpits. So guys, I'm just showing you guys how I did it. Look at my armpits. You see it. So I'm going to use it to massage my armpits. That's what I'm going to do right now. Use it to massage your armpits. Massage your 2 armpits. You do it 3 days. See if you can put it in the fridge. Tomorrow you bring it out and make use of it again for 3 days. After 3 days, you will see the result. If you have someone that's looking for a way to clean his or her armpit, this recipe is for the person. I tried it, it works for me, and I know it will work for you too. Just give it a try. So guys, you leave it for 10 minutes. Then after 10 minutes, you have to wipe it off. Clean it off. So guys, I will leave it for 10 minutes, then I will clean it off. So guys, this is end of today's video. I hope you got something from this video. If yes, leave a comment on the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.